Okay, so here's my leather couch. What is this? What the hell is that? What the fuck? Or heck. Oh, I'm sorry. Got a little excited. Okay, so here's my leather couch here sitting in the living room against the back porch. Okay, so I want to show you guys something. Alright, that's the window. Let me open the window. Show you guys something. That's looking, just look. Here's the couch. Here's the snow. Holy shit, people. It is snowing like, let me see if I can get this light to come on out there. Let me try that again. There you go. It's snowing like a crazy thing. You know, this is my back porch. Look, right over there's my barbecue, right over there. It's up under the tree. See the tree? Let me get past the light. I can't get past the light. Anyway, there's the barbecue, and then there's a big old tree kind of protecting it, but it looks like this tree because it's full of snow, like insane amounts of snow. You know? Yeah, wintertime in the Rockies. There's that's the rail. Okay, that's the rail. That's how much is that here? There's a mop bucket. I got a mop bucket right there. I promise there's a mop bucket right there. Somewhere. Hope you guys are getting this. I love it. I live here for a reason. I mean, I'm telling you, this snow is so freaking pretty. It's beautiful. It is. It's about 26 degrees out there right now here in Colorado. I love you guys. Stay safe out there. Shovel snow.